Hi everyone, welcome to Social Studies class. Locating places. In previous class, already we discussed about latitudes, longitudes, grid. After the learning, we started discussion in briefly. In previous class, we discussed about oceans briefly, right? Continents also. Yes. How many continents are there? 7 continents. What are they? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. How many continents? 7. Which is the biggest continent on the earth? Asia. Which is the smallest continent on the earth? Australia. Yes. Next we discussed about oceans also. How many oceans are there? 5. How many? 5. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctica or Southern Ocean. Fifthly, Arctic Ocean. Which is the biggest ocean on the earth? Pacific Ocean. Which is the smallest? Arctic Ocean. Yes, we discussed about continents and oceans also. Already we had a map pointing session about continents and oceans also. Now let us learn briefly about axis and poles. Axis and poles. Globe. What is a globe? Globe is a model of the earth. Like our photography, this is a photography of the earth. What is our topic? Axis. Just look at here. This is bottom point of the earth. This is the top point of the earth. Okay, keep it in your mind. Bottom point and top point. Yes, we have so many bicycles and so many bikes are there. So many cars also there. How they move? How they move, children? On axis. What is an axis? Just observe between of the wheels. It may be bicycle wheel, it may be bike wheel, it may be wheels of the car. Just observe between of the exactly. If this is a wheel, middle of the wheel we can find out one rod, iron rod. Yes, on iron rod only wheel rotates. Yes, based on that iron rod only that wheel is rotates. Yes, if you go to bike wheel, you can find out it. Just observe the car wheels also. Yes, under the car we can find out a big iron rod which is attaching two wheels. Why it is? To rotate the wheels. So it is called axis. It means what is its work? To rotate something. What is the axis? It is taking the responsibility to rotate the wheel. Yes, if that axis rotates, along with axis wheels also rotates. Are you getting point? if that axis rotates, along with the axis, wheels also rotating. If there is any problem in axis, bicycle cannot move, bike also cannot move, car also set down. It means it cannot move. Why? If wheels are not moving, how can car move? How can bicycle move? How can bike can move forward? Yes, are you getting what is axis? Yes, axis means the thing which is can rotate. The thing which is can rotate. About lines and axis, just this is imaginary things. Just these are imaginary things. Oh, these lines just we are imagining. Okay, imaginary lines these are. Just guessing ourselves. Why? To understand the structure of the earth clearly. To locate the places with clarity. Just this is the bottom, this is the top. Just feel one rod is there inside the globe. Clear? Here is the bottom point and here is the top point. Just feel some rod is under the between the two poles. Okay, between the two poles. I said to rotate axis is useful. What is the work of axis? To rotate something. Yes, just feel between the two points, bottom and the top point, there is an axis. There is an axis between the two poles. It should be rotate, right? It should be rotate. So just look at the globe. Yes, is it rotating? Yes. Is it rotating? Yes. Again see, is it rotating? That is what axis. That is what axis. Earth is rotating on its axis. Earth is rotating is on its axis. Yes. Look at the earth. It is locating. This globe is only earth, right? So rotating, that is what axis. Earth is rotating on its axis. Earth is rotating on its axis. This is what? This is corner point, this is bottom point, top point, bottom point. Between, just imagine there is an axis. Okay, that's why it is rotating. At the same time, just look at the axis. What are the two ends? Where it is ending? At top point it is ending, at bottom point it is ending. Yes, if we move after top point, there is nothing. After bottom point, there is nothing. So these 2 points are having some names. Top point is called North Pole. Bottom point is called South Pole. Firstly, what are the two ends of the axis? What are the two ends of the axis? Poles. Yes, this is a pole and this is also a pole. What are the two ends of the axis? Two poles. Poles are the two ends of the axis. Okay. Top pole is called North Pole. Which pole? North Pole. Bottom pole is called South Pole. Okay, clear? What is axis? Between the poles, just imagine one axis is there. Why? To rotate the globe. What are the two ends of the axis? Poles. North Pole and South Pole. Okay, North Pole and South Pole. Now, if this is a globe, okay, this is a pole and this is a pole. Just feel this is a axis. It means like a iron rod between the bicycle wheel and between the bike wheel, between the car wheels. Okay, just based on this axis, earth is rotating. This is the north pole, this is south pole. Top point is called north pole, bottom point is called south pole. Okay, when somebody asks you how many directions are there, we say 4 directions. Just say, we say east, west, south, north. Yes, east, west, south, north we say. But in diagram we write like this, N. Yes, have you ever seen this diagram? S, E, W. North is top side, that's why we write like this. South is bottom side, so we write S here. Here east side, here west. So north, south, east, west. We say news also. In so many channels we see news, right? Yes, what is the meaning of news? This is only NEWS, news. North, east, west, south. It means when we listen some news, it may be from north side, it may be from east side, it may be south side, it may be from west side. So sometimes news comes from north side, the topic is maybe about north side. Next, sometimes the topic is about maybe south side. That's why news, this is the full form of news. What is the full form of news? North, east, west, south. Clear? In diagram we write like this. This is the reason why north pole is at the top, south pole is at the bottom. Okay, so earth rotates on its axis. Okay, next topic, hemisphere. Next topic is hemisphere. There are 4 hemispheres. How many hemispheres? 4. What are that hemispheres? Let us see here. What are that 4 hemispheres? Let us see. Okay, if this is a globe, one line is passing through the middle of the earth, This imaginary line is called equator. What is the value at equator? 0 degrees. Okay, what is our topic? Hemisphere. There are 4 hemispheres. Based on equator we can learn 2 hemispheres. Equator, this side what here? North pole, here south pole. Equator above, it is northern hemisphere. Equator above, northern hemisphere. Equator below, southern hemisphere. This is southern hemisphere. Equator to north pole side, it is northern hemisphere. Equator to south pole side, it is southern hemisphere. Okay, 0 degrees imaginary line is called, parallel line is called equator. Equator is dividing the earth into 2 equal parts. Equator is dividing the earth into two equal parts. Yes, this is half part and this is half part of the earth. Okay, next, these are the latitudes. Halfway drawn imaginary lines are called halfway drawn imaginary line. Halfway, right? Equator to this side halfway, equator to this side halfway. These lines are called latitudes. Already we learnt about it, right? Latitudes. The center point of the latitude is equator. The center line of the latitudes is equator, 0 degrees. So northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. One more thing already we learned, prime meridian. Yes, this is the prime meridian. What is the value here? 0 degrees. It is passes through London city. It is passes through London city. One more GK bit also there on London city, which is the largest city in the world in the terms of area. Which is the largest city in the world in the terms of area. London city. It is having large amount of land, area. So it is passes through London city. It is also called Greenwich Mean Time line. Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, it is Greenwich Mean Time. Our Indian time is Indian Standard Time, IST. Indian Standard Time is forward 5.5 minutes. Forward 5.5 minutes. Example, if the time is 12 AM at London city, it means at Greenwich Mean Time line. Now the time is, if 12 AM in our India, 5:30 AM. It means we go forward than London city. It means if it is early morning in our India, 5:30 AM, they are at midnight. 12 AM means midnight, right? So we go 5.5 hours forward than Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, this is 0 degrees prime meridian line. This side longitude, the imaginary lines which are joining North Pole and South Pole, they are called longitudes. Yes, the imaginary lines which are joining North Pole and South Pole, they are longitudes. They are also having center line, it is prime meridian line. Prime meridian line to east side 180 lines are there. Prime meridian to west side 180 lines are there. Now northern hemisphere finished, southern hemisphere finished. Now eastern and western hemispheres. Prime meridian to towards east side. What about northern and southern? Equator to north side, equator to south side. Likewise, prime meridian to east towards east side, it is eastern hemisphere. Prime meridian to towards west side, this is western hemisphere. Okay, prime meridian to east side, eastern hemisphere. Prime meridian to west side, it is western hemisphere. Okay, in another manners we can say 0 degrees prime meridian to 180 degrees east side. 180 degrees east side, it is called eastern hemisphere. 0 degrees prime meridian to 180 degrees west side, it is called western hemisphere. That's why the countries which are located in this area, they are called western country. Our India is eastern country. Okay, let us know about India's location. In northern hemisphere, in eastern part our India is located. Where is India located? In northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So in eastern hemisphere exactly. That's why our India is called as eastern country. Eastern country. Okay. Axis, to rotate the earth, axis is need, right? So this is the axis. Just to feel this is axis. What are the two ends of the axis? North pole and south pole. So poles are the two ends of the axis. Next, hemispheres. How many hemispheres? 4. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. Okay, this is about axis, poles, hemisphere. Thank you.